Hello everyone. Today I am out with a sick child, so sorry I can't be here with you, but I hope you had a great weekend and you're ready to get some work done today. What you'll be working on for the class today is a couple different things. You're going to be on haiku primarily. The first thing you're going to be creating or completing a thing link activity. So it's something a little new, but pretty simple. So if you come down here, you can open up the link, which will bring you to a Google Doc. And basically, you're going to be using your notebook to answer these questions. And each of these, we're looking at river formation, river floodplains. So anyway, if you click the link, what you'll see is basically an image with some hot spots on it. It's actually really a pretty cool graphic. So if you click on these, there's different activities that go along with each letter, and each letter also has a corresponding question. So there's two thing links that you'll be working on, and all of those will be answered in your notebook. That shouldn't really take you too long. There are a couple videos, so please make sure you take out your headphones for that. When you're done with that activity, and you should finish that in class, there's really no excuses not to finish that in class, you're going to wrap up your Glacier Virtual Lab. So just a couple reminders on this. All of you started this on Friday. And for the most part, you should be done with part one. Part one required you to read and write a quick summary for 1 through 4 in your notebooks. And then part two, which is the actual lab, here's the procedure in tan. You can open this up, just a quick refresher on what you're going to be doing. You have a worksheet that goes along with this. And the front side of the worksheet focused on vocab, which went along with all of these terms and definitions. And then the back side of that went along down here. And the back side asked you to look at a certain location and then to look at the formation of what the glacier formed. Basically try to identify it with some of the different types of glacial landforms that you just looked at above. And there's 6 different sites, and you'll be answering each of those on the back of that paper. When you're done with the virtual lab, remember there is a part 3 that has basically 4 post-lab questions that you'll be answering again in your notebook. So part 1 and part 3 are in your notebook. Part 2 is the separate sheet. You'll take part 2 on top of those, and so everything's on that same page. All right? That is pretty much it. If you don't get done with the virtual lab, some of you are already done, which is great. But if you don't get done, then that will be homework due tomorrow, and I'll check everything when I get back on Tuesday. I hope you guys all have a great day. I will be by my computer most of the day, so please feel free to email if you need anything or have any questions. Have a great day, everybody.